Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to access the dark web in a secure, private, and anonymous way while respecting the law and applying good security practices. Before we begin, I want to make it clear that this video is not intended to encourage anyone to go on the dark web. This video is strictly educational. Never use these tools to break the law. The dark web itself is not illegal, but some activities that take place there are. Accessing the darknet is entirely your choice, but if you decide to do so, you must act responsibly and with extreme caution. The dark web involves many risks, scams, malware, illegal content, and more. You've been warned. So, to access the darknet securely, you will need two essential tools. First, the Tor Browser. The Tor Browser is the official tool used to access .onion websites, which are only accessible through the Tor network. Tor routes your connection through several relays, making your origin difficult to trace. To download Tor Browser, go to torproject.org. Install the version that matches your system, Windows, macOS, Linux, or Android. The installation is simple and quick. Warning: never download Tor from any other website. Modified versions may contain malware. Second, a reliable VPN such as NordVPN or VPN. Tor provides anonymity, but it does not fully protect your connection. It is strongly recommended to activate a VPN before launching Tor to add an extra layer of security. Why use a VPN with Tor? To hide your IP address, even from Tor entry relays. To prevent your internet service provider from seeing that you're using Tor. To avoid certain known attacks, such as traffic correlation. To protect your connection against network vulnerabilities, which are becoming more common. Recommendation number 1, NordVPN. NordVPN is perfectly suited for use with Tor and offers Onion over VPN servers, access to the dark web without Tor browser if necessary, a strict no-logs policy, regularly audited, threat protection that blocks malware, trackers, and dangerous links, and excellent speed, which is important since Tor is already slow. To try it, go to vpn-club.com/nord. As you can see, NordVPN costs only $2.99 per month. That's cheaper than a coffee at Starbucks. That's the equivalent of 10 cents per day. In short, a very low price, considering the many benefits a VPN like NordVPN provides. Recommendation number 2, ProtonVPN. ProtonVPN is developed by Proton, also behind ProtonMail, based in Switzerland, and offers a strong no-logs policy, secure servers compatible with Tor, a strong focus on privacy, and open source code that is publicly audited. To try it, go to vpn-club.com/proton. ProtonVPN is also very affordable, only $2.49 per month, or about 8 cents per day. A small clarification: the links to NordVPN and ProtonVPN are affiliate links. If you decide to sign up through these links, I will receive a small commission that helps support the channel at no extra cost for you. Thank you in advance. One tip: always choose a server that is geographically close to reduce slowdowns. On the other hand, avoid free VPNs. They log your data, inject ads, or sell you information. Using a free VPN to access the dark web makes no sense to me. Here is the correct order of use for optimal security. Start your VPN, NordVPN or ProtonVPN. Connect to a secure server and open Tor Browser. This order is crucial. First, I activate my VPN. I choose a geographically close country, like Belgium, for example. I click here. There we go, I'm connected. My IP address has been replaced with that of the VPN server I'm connected to. Once Tor is launched, you can visit .onion link directories, such as dark.fail, the most reliable for checking authentic links, in the wiki.org, and onionlinks.io. These sites list various services, .onion search engines, forums, digital libraries, privacy resources, crypto tools, and more. Avoid hidden wikis whose links are not verified. Many of them redirect to scams or malware. Now let's move on to the warnings. In 2026, one of the biggest dangers is fake .onion sites and clone marketplaces. Many look legitimate, but are designed to steal your money, your crypto or install malware. Browsing the dark web without protection is literally like playing digital Russian roulette. Download nothing. Files on the Darknet very often contain malware, ransomware, or Trojans. Provide no personal information, no email address, no phone number, no bank account, nothing. Be extremely cautious with marketplaces. Most of them are scams or are monitored by law enforcement. And if you come across a site that asks for payment, which I strongly advise against, never use your credit card, your real identity, or your usual crypto accounts. That will be extremely dangerous. Do not change the Tor window size. This can make you identifiable. Do not browse in full screen. Tor warns you about this for a reason. Do not modify the browser's advanced settings. You could reduce your anonymity. Some additional advice: use a separate system, a null machine, a secondary PC. Or better yet, use a specialized distribution like Tails or Wonix. Disable JavaScript in Tor for more security, but some sites will no longer work. Do not store any data locally. And regularly update Tor and your VPN. To summarize, to access the dark web securely, you must use Tor Browser, a reliable VPN like NordVPN or ProtonVPN, and careful and responsible browsing. If you'd like me to make a dedicated video about Tails, Wonix, or methods to further strengthen your anonymity, let me know in the comments. That's it. You now know how to access the dark web anonymously and securely. If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any updates. See you very soon.